we're doing right now is we're getting ready to do a bunch of jackhammering. And then we're gonna have 2 teams. I can show you in here.
Okay. Yes.
We're gonna have 1 team in here jackhammering. They're gonna be jackhammering and then digging a trench to expose the pipe that rotted away. We got a team in here that's gonna be jackhammering where they pulled up the flooring right there, and then they'll meet in the middle, Lady in the Tramp style. So right now they're setting up their plastic wall barriers to keep the dust down. We have flooring protection. We got plastic underneath this, and then the builder board to protect the floors 100%.
Nice.
Yep.
Thanks for that breakdown.
Sure. So all of this fresh concrete you see there, and this in here, that was all trenched up. We took the old cast iron pipe out that had a channel that was missing out of it. It was completely gone. Replaced the 2 portions of the stack where the cleanouts were, and right now we're working on getting the drywall back in place, making everything back to normal. Alright, so we just finished our final coating of, this is the main stack that goes out to the city sewer. That's about a 45-foot run that we did in the ground under the slab. So that kept us from having to dig it out. And then the other thing that we coated was everything in this bathroom. So we did the shower line, and then we did this toilet over here. And the toilet and all the other 4-inch, that gets 4 coats of the epoxy. And then we also did this sink here. We replaced the floor drain, and we brush coated with that epoxy lining all the way to the main, which was a good candidate for the epoxy lining because this drain runs underneath this air conditioning and furnace and water heater. So if we weren't able to epoxy coat it, we would have to rip everything out, jackhammer it up. And same goes with the bathroom too. We would have had to jackhammer everything up in there and rip out the vanity, the shower, and probably tear down a wall or 2. The epoxy brush coating is pretty non-invasive from that kind of a standpoint. So we replaced that, put in a brand new floor drain, and then we also brush coated with epoxy out to the main line, that one as well. And this spot here, the pipe was too eroded, so we had to jackhammer it up and replace it with PVC. So if anybody has cast iron pipe, now's the time to get it coated. We're finishing up today. After the final coat, we like to recommend a full 24 hours just to make sure that the pipe is fully cured, that epoxy. And then after 24 hours, it's full service, hot water, cold water, whatever.
Very cool. Thank you.
Yep.